Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For our second song today, it's going to be Wyman Jackson's China Way and You're Only Lonely Today. I hope you all enjoy it. Let's check it out, shall we? Song that was. It was a really nice singing like that. Nice beat as well on top of that. And also the video as well. That was a really nice song that was. Not bad at all that was. I actually enjoyed that one. very much. Hope you all enjoyed that one as well. That was really nice. That was a good song. That was. Now we're going to move on now to the next song. I hope that one's just as good. Let's go, shall we?